Good evening, everybody. How are you all? So today I am here with the third chapter for chemistry, that is acid, base and salts. Before that, I have taught you metal and non-metals, carbon and compounds. So today it is the third chapter, acid, base and salts. What we are going to do in this class, we are going to discuss the previous year questions of acid, base and salts. All these questions which I am discussing here is very important from the exam point of view. There is 100% guarantee that whatever I am teaching you here, that will come in your exam. Maybe the language can be different, but the concept is going to be same. Hi Samukt, chalo. So let's start the session. Hello Vaishnavi. So here today we are going to discuss acid, base and salts. What do you mean by acids? So acids are the compound containing H plus, right? What are the acids? Acids are compound containing the H plus. Can you tell me the name of some acids in the chat box? What are the bases? The compound which contains OH minus. Correct? Tell me the name of the bases in the comment box. And what do you mean by salt? Salt is something like, for example, NaCl. NaCl is a very famous example of common salt. The salt which we use in our food. Yes? Okay, fine. So, yes, very good Dhanush, very nice. Very good guys. Keep giving me the answer in the comment box. I'll come to know that how much you guys already know and whether what I'm teaching, that whether you have understood that or not. Okay, fine. So now let's start to the first question. Can you see here the question? Is it visible to everybody? Can you read this clearly? Okay. So limestone, chalk and marble are different forms of calcium carbonate. Is this statement correct? Is this a correct statement? Tell me. Limestone, chalk and marble are different form of calcium carbonate. So this type of question can be also asked in the exam, where there is a one statement that is called assertion and the second statement is called reason. So you have to tell whether this first statement is correct or not. Yes. And the second statement is the reason for the first statement. All metal carbonates. What do you mean by metal carbonates? For example, Na2CO3. It is sodium carbonate. Correct? What is the formula for carbonate? CO3 2 minus. Correct? All the metal carbonates. Calcium carbonate, sodium carbonate. These are the examples of carbonate and hydrogen carbonates. H2CO3 react with acid to give a corresponding salt, carbon dioxide and water. Read this statement and tell me out of A and B, assertion and reason, which statement is the correct statement. I also want to know that how much you guys have revised this chapter. Whether answer is wrong or right, don't hesitate in giving me the answer, because anyway I will tell you the correct answer, right? Yes? Very good Dhanush, Sumukt. Yes, very good Vaishnavi. So see here, limestone, chalk and marble. The first statement is definitely correct. They all are. For all of them, what is the chemical formula? It is calcium carbonate. It is absolutely correct. Yes, the correct this first one is the correct statement. Assertion is correct. Chalk, limestone, marble, they all contains calcium carbonate. Yes, okay. Second statement, all metal carbonates and hydrogen carbonates react with acid to give corresponding salt, carbon dioxide and water. Is this statement a correct statement? Second one, definitely this is not the correct reason for the assertion. But is this a correct statement? Tell me. Yes, both assertion and reason, both these statements are correct. When a metal carbonate reacts with acid, for example HCl, so it gives you a salt, it gives you a H2 gas and it gives water and CO2 gas. Second statement is also correct. Okay guys, so remember, when metal carbonate react with acid, it gives you salt, CO2 gas, and it gives you the water. Correct? But this statement is not the correct reason for the above statement. Okay? Fine. So what should be the correct answer? B here is the correct answer. Tell me, did you understand? Did you guys understand this question? Do let me know in the comment box. Give me a thumbs up if you have understood. Okay? So the first statement here is they all chalk. What was the next thing? Marble. Yes, chalk, marble and limestone. They all have same chemical formula, that is calcium carbonate. The first statement is correct. Second statement is also correct. Yes, what is second statement? When any metal carbonate reacts with acid, it gives you salt, it gives you water, and it gives you CO2 gas. This is the second statement. This is the first statement. Both the statements are correct. Okay, both the statements are correct, but this is not the correct reason for the first statement. Okay, did you guys understand? Vaishnavi, Sumukh, Rohit, Dhanush. Yes. Okay, so can we move forward to the next question? The next question here is, see here, this question is being asked in CBSE 2019. It is a very recently asked question and it is very important. Okay. Acha, one more tip. You are seeing here that this question is very lengthy. So you will think that who will read this much paragraph? Maybe this question might be tough. But don't have this type of mindset. I will tell you one thing, in the exam, read each and every question. Just don't assume that this is such a paragraph question. Who is going to solve this? It is very easy. Okay, fine. Don't just give up on the question by looking at the length of the question. Correct? Chalo. So let's start to read the question. You have three solutions, A, B and C. A, B and C. Their pH value is 6, 2 and 9 respectively. Arrange these solution in increasing order of hydrogen ion concentration. Okay, guys, can you tell me A, B, C? Whose pH for C is highest and for A is least? Can you tell me which one is highly acidic? Can you tell me quickly that which one here is highly acidic? pH 6, pH 2 or pH 9? Which one here is highly acidic? So, do let me know in the comment box A, B and C which one here is highly acidic. We know that lower the value of pH, more acidic the compound is. I am writing here, okay? Wherever you have doubt, just do let me know. Lower the value of pH, weaker is the acid. Okay, it means that here compound B, solution B. Very good Sumukh, very good Vaishnavi, very good Rohit. Yes, compound B is more acidic, then compound A, then compound C. Is that correct? Acidic strength? Yes, acha. Strong acid, more H plus. Here, remember this thing. Very good, guys. Superb. Strong acid, more H plus concentration. More H plus or hydrogen ion concentration. Because of hydrogen ion concentration only, the solution becomes acidic. Correct? Okay, guys. So, can you tell me B, A, C? Who has more H plus concentration? Do let me know in the comment box. Solution A, solution B, solution C. Who has more H plus concentration? So, our first part is going to be done. Which of these is most acidic? The answer here is B. What happens to the hydrogen ion concentration in A as it is diluted? Arrange these solution in increasing order of hydrogen ion concentration. Who has the highest hydrogen ion concentration? Very good, Sumukh. Very good, Dhanush. Very good, Dhanish, Rohit. Good, guys. B here is highly acidic. It means that B has highest concentration of H plus. Yes, B has high concentration of H plus. Correct. So, B, A and C, this is the acidic strength order. At the same time, this is the order of concentration of H plus. Okay, clear? Yes. Is that clear? Now, next they are telling that what happens to the hydrogen ion concentration if A is diluted. What is the meaning of dilution? I am writing here. What is the meaning of dilution? Dilution means adding more water. Adding more water. If you will add more water, acid will become weak. Acid will become weak on adding water. If acid will become weak, so H plus ion concentration will increase or decrease. So, H plus ion concentration will, tell me, increase or decrease? H plus ion concentration will increase or decrease, guys? Whoever will give me the correct answer, it means that guy or girl has understood the concept. Tell me, when you will add water, H plus ion concentration, yes, adding more water, correct, Dhanesh, superb. So, H plus ion will increase or decrease? Very good, Somukh. H plus ion will decrease. Very good. Okay. So, this was the first part. What happens to the hydrogen ion concentration as it is diluted? Diluted means increasing the water, automatically acid will become weaker, H plus concentration will also become less. Is that clear? Yes. Very good, Vaishnavi, Dhanish, superb. Very nice. Now, the next part is, here is the order of increasing concentration. B is more acidic. Okay, fine. Okay, so this question is over now. Just a second. Yes. Okay, did you guys understand this question? Fine. Yes. Chalo. Now see this question here. CBSE 2014. Let's have a look here. CBSE 2014. Again, this is a lengthy question. Don't get scared by the language or the length of the question. Just read anyway. Okay. Now read this question. If someone in the family is suffering from problem of acidity after overeating. Sometimes you have also seen that when we go somewhere in parties or in somewhere like some functions, we overeat. Because the food is very good there, so we will overeat. And after we overeat, we feel the acidity, the burning sensation in our stomach. That happens due to the more acid in our stomach. So what do we do? To get relaxed from that problem, what do we do, guys? Whenever you overeat, you get a stomach ache, you feel the burning sensation. So to cure that, what medicine or what remedy you take for that? Do let me know in the comment box. If someone in the family is suffering from problem of acidity after overeating, which of the following substance would you suggest as a remedy? Tell me. Lemon juice, vinegar, baking soda. Very good, Dhanush. Lemon juice, vinegar or baking soda solution. First of all, acidity is increased in our stomach. First thing, right? If something is more, we want to neutralize that. Correct? Because in our stomach, acid is more. Acidity. More acid is there in our stomach. So, to neutralize this, lemon juice is acidic. We can't take lemon juice. Vinegar is also acid. If in our stomach there is more, very good Dhanush, if in the stomach we have more acid, we can't eat more of the acid by taking lemon or vinegar. So we will take baking soda. Correct? Yes. Baking soda is what? Baking soda is a basic in nature. So when we eat base, it will neutralize the more acid present in our stomach. Correct? Acha. Tell me the property on the basis of which you will choose the remedy. On which basis we are choosing the remedy? Yes, baking soda is base. So vinegar, lemon juice and baking soda. We are choosing baking soda because it is basic in nature. It will neutralize the excess acid present in our stomach. Easy, right? It's an easy question. So don't get scared by the length of the question. Read the question, whatever you think from your mind. If you don't know, in that case, use your mind and write the answer. Okay? Yes, very good Dharmesh. So can we move forward to the next question? Do give me a thumbs up in the chat box if you have understood. Neutralization reaction, absolutely correct Sumukt. Acid will react with base and both will get neutralized and our stomach will be fine. Absolutely correct. Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood this question. So here we are moving forward to the next one. Baking soda, because it is basic in nature and it will neutralize the excessive acid formed in the stomach. Lemon juice on the other hand, it is itself acidic in nature, will only aggravate the condition. Okay, very good. So Mukht and Vaishnavi, very nice. Chalo. Here is the next question. It has come in CBSE 2019. Okay. So read this question and tell me what is going to be the correct answer here. With the help of an example, explain what happens when a base reacts with non-metallic oxide. Okay, what do you infer about the nature of a non-metal oxide? I am writing here, do give me the answer. Metal oxides are dash, non-metal oxides are dash. So can you tell me what is the nature of metal oxide? What is the nature of metal oxide? Can you guys tell me what is the nature of a metal oxide? I am waiting for your answer in the comment box. Metal oxide means, for example, Na2O, Na2O2, aluminium oxide, correct? Iron oxide. These are the examples of metal oxide. Manganese oxide. What is the nature of metal oxide? Either they are acidic, they are basic, or they are neutral, or they are amphoteric. Can you tell me the answer? I am waiting for your response in the comment box. Yes? Can you tell me the answer in the comment box? Metal oxides are, which is oxides? Which is oxides? What Dhanush? What do you want to say? What is the nature of metal oxide? They are acidic, they are basic, they are neutral, or they are amphoteric. Tell me the answer in the comment box quickly. When a base reacts with a non-metal oxide, it forms salt and water. What Dhanush, from where you are giving me the answer? Chalo guys, let's see here. Oxides, they can be acidic, okay? They can be basic, they can be amphoteric, okay? They can be neutral. Fine. So acidic means non-metal oxides are acidic. Non-metal oxide are acidic in nature. Non-metal oxide means CO2, NO2, nitrogen, carbon. Yes, very good Dhanush, very good Rohit, very good Vaishnavi. Yes, carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, SO2, these are the non-metal oxide. They are acidic in nature. Correct? Basic. Metal oxides are basic in nature. Metal, generally, I am talking about general case. Metal oxides are basic in nature. What are the metal oxides? Give me the example of metal oxides in the comment box. Give me the example of metal oxides in the comment box. Which metal oxides you know? So some of the metal oxides are magnesium oxide, MgO, sodium oxide, Na2O2, K2O, KO2. These are the metal oxides and they are basic in nature. Very good Dhanesh, very good Vaishnavi. Good job. Yes. So here amphoteric. What do you mean by amphoteric? Very good Somukh. What do you mean by amphoteric in nature? Amphoteric means either they can be acidic, or they can be basic. They can behave as both. They can be acidic, they can be basic. Can you tell me the name of a amphoteric oxide? Can you guys tell me the name of a amphoteric oxide? Can you tell me the name of a amphoteric oxide? Yes. Fe2O3 is a metal oxide, Na2O is a metal oxide. Can you tell me the name of a amphoteric oxide? Remember this. Aluminium oxide and zinc oxide, they are amphoteric in nature. They can react with acid, they can react with base, they can react with both of them. Okay, so it means that they are basic also, they are acidic also, depends upon the reaction condition. What do you mean by neutral oxide? Neither acidic nor basic. They have no acidic strength, no basic strength. Can you give me the example of neutral oxide? Very good Dhanush, very good Dhanish. What is the example of a neutral oxide? How many of you know about the laughing gas? Right? In movies we have seen, when they release laughing gas, everybody starts laughing. Right? What is that laughing gas? So, laughing gas formula is N2O. N2O is a laughing gas. It is a neutral oxide. They are neither acidic nor basic. They are neutral, just like water. Carbon monoxide, nitrogen monoxide, N2O. They are neutral in nature. So this is the category of oxides. Will you guys remember now? Acidic oxide, basic oxide, amphoteric oxide and neutral oxide. Correct? Normally, metal oxides are basic. Very good. Non-metal oxides are acidic. Zinc oxide, aluminium oxide, they are amphoteric. They can behave as acid-base both. Carbon monoxide, Na2O, laughing gas, NO, they are neutral oxide. Correct? Okay, fine. So, did you understand this concept of oxide? Very good Somukh, very good Dhamesh, Vaishnavi. Here, we'll come back to our question. Okay? With the help of an example, explain what happens when a base reacts with non-metallic oxide. Non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Metal oxides are basic in nature. When a base will react with non-metallic oxide, when a base will react with non-metallic oxide, what is the nature of non-metallic oxide? Non-metallic oxide is acidic in nature. Correct? So, do you guys know, right? Base plus acid. Non-metallic oxide is acidic in nature. Base plus acid will give you what? Do let me know in the comment box. Base plus acid is going to give you what? Base plus acid will give you what? Yes, very good, Dhanush. It forms salt plus water. Absolutely correct. So you are going to get salt plus water. Fine. Yes. What do you infer about the nature of the non-metal oxide? Non-metal oxide is acidic in nature. Okay. Understood this question? Easy. Can I change the slide? Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood this question completely. Okay? Yes? Very, very good. Nice. So here we are moving to the next question. When a base reacts with non-metallic oxide, it forms salt and water. Calcium hydroxide reacts with. Calcium hydroxide is a base. It reacts with carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a non-metallic oxide. Correct? And non-metallic oxide is acidic in nature. When it will react with this, you are going to get what? Calcium carbonate. This is the salt and plus water. This is going to form. Fine. Okay. If you will, with every question, if you will write the chemical reaction, already I have mentioned you that with any answer, you put any diagram, you put any graph, you write some examples. So here if you will write the chemical formula, chemical equation, so you will get the full marks and the answer will be complete, because again examiner think that students knows, that's why he has done the chemical equation also. Okay, so whatever chemical equation I am writing it now, write down with me in the notebook. Okay, so it will be practice for you also. You don't have to write it again, you can write with me. Fine. So calcium hydroxide is a base, carbon dioxide is a non-metallic oxide. It will give you that CaCO3 salt and water. So this is the question done. Now the next question, which has again come in CBSE 2019. Let's have a look at this question. What is observed when carbon dioxide? What is observed when carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water? Do let me know in the comment box what is the chemical formula for lime water. What is the chemical formula for lime water? Quickly guys, Vaishnavi, Sumukht, Dhanesh, Dhanush, what is the chemical formula for lime water? Yes. Can you tell me what is the chemical formula for lime water, guys? Lime water means what? It turns lime water milky, correct, Sumukht? For what you are giving the answer? Short duration or long duration? It turns milky. Very good, Dhanush. But you have to give the answer for both, short duration or long duration. Yes, lime water means calcium oxide, as Dhanush has told me. Anybody else? Very good, Krishna. Krishna has given me the correct answer. Calcium hydroxide. Dhanish, very good. Short duration, very good, Sumukht. Good job. So now let's see the answer for this. When CO2 is passed through lime water, my dear students, lime water means, write down this formula. Lime water means calcium hydroxide. When we pass CO2 gas in calcium hydroxide, it turns milky. Milky because of this calcium carbonate. What is the color? Very, very good, Dhanish. What is the color of marble? Marble is of white color. Milk white. Correct? So, lime water turns milky due to the formation of white PPT. White precipitate of calcium carbonate. Write down this reaction in the notebook. Write down this reaction in the notebook. Calcium hydroxide reacts with CO2. Calcium hydroxide reacts with CO2 to give you calcium carbonate plus water. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Yes? Fine. Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood. What will happen if you will pass CO2 for short duration of time? lime water turns milky. When what happens when you will pass CO2 for long duration? In that case, what is going to happen? When excess of carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, then the white precipitate of calcium carbonate formed first dissolved due to the formation of soluble salt, calcium hydrogen carbonate, and the solution becomes clear again. Let me explain this to you. See here, calcium hydroxide, the lime water, when you have passed CO2 in this, it gave you calcium carbonate, which was white in color, correct? Yes, and that's why the lime water has become milky, correct? Again, you are continuously adding CO2 for long duration. Yes, so again what is going to happen? This calcium carbonate CO2, you are adding this for long duration. It will form calcium hydrogen carbonate, and this is soluble. This was white color precipitate. This was not soluble, right? But when you will continuously add CO2 and water, it will convert into this calcium hydrogen carbonate. Calcium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, fine. So this is soluble in nature. The solution becomes clear again. Yes. Hello Naveen. Understood guys? Did you guys understand this question? This reaction is still for short duration. Write down the chemical reaction with me in the notebook. This is for short duration. Lime water becomes milky because of this calcium carbonate. If we will add CO2 for long time, calcium carbonate will combine with CO2 and water. It will form calcium hydrogen carbonate, which is soluble. So again that lime water will become clear. Yes? Okay? Very good. Fine guys, now let's move to the next question. Now, yes, very good Krishna, very good Vaishnavi. Yes, do give me a thumbs up if you have understood the previous question. Okay, now read this question. Again, this question is being asked previous year 2013. Okay, write the chemical name and formula of marble. What is the chemical name and formula of marble? Very good Krishna. Very good Danish. Yes. What is the chemical name and formula for marble? So you know that chemical name and chemical formula. Chemical formula is calcium carbonate. At the place of marble, if they will ask for chalk, if they will ask for limestone, they all have same chemical formula, calcium carbonate. Very good Dhanush, very good Vaishnavi, very good Naveen, very good Dhanish. Correct. So all limestone, chalk, marble, they have chemical formula this, calcium carbonate, and chemical name for them is calcium carbonate. Okay, fine. Acha. Is this clear till here? Now read the next part. Read the second part. It has been found that marbles of Taj are getting corroded due to development of industrial areas around it. Explain this fact giving a chemical equation. Do you guys know this? Yes, very good Krishna. Do you guys know this that when Taj Mahal was there long back, it was shining, yes, it was white, yes, but now if you will go, it is becoming yellowish day by day. There is that marble, that calcium carbonate marble on the Taj is getting tarnished. So can you tell me for why it is happening? So yes, why it is happening? Taj is made from calcium carbonate marble, correct? In the industrial area near to this, they are producing so many chemicals. Yes, very, very good Dhanish, absolutely correct. The industrial area near to Taj, they are producing so many harmful chemicals. Yes, and yes, very good Dhanush, very good Naveen. For example, H2S, for example, SO2, and when it rains, right? When it rains, that water from the rain combines with the oxides. It becomes acid. For example, the industrial area, they will produce CO2, SO2, right? SO3, these oxides. And these oxides are acidic because you know that metal oxides are acidic. Yes, when it rains, water will combine with them and water will become acidic. Naturally, acid rain, natural water is neutral. But because it is raining outside and in our environment, especially industrial area, there are so many harmful pollutants. So water has combined with CO2, water has combined with SO3 to give you H2SO4. So this is the case of acid rain. You guys have told absolutely correct. The rain has become acidic. Correct? So now this calcium carbonate marble, this combines with the acid produced due to the acidic rain. Yes, and marble, white color marble converts into calcium sulfate, which is soluble in water. Correct? Which is a soluble in water. And what is happening? Which is soluble in water. Correct? And that's why that's why the white color of Taj is going out, is getting vanished, because Taj is shining. It has a white color due to this marble, but due to the acid rain, this has come due to the acid rain. Due to the acid rain, calcium is converting into calcium sulfate, which is soluble. Correct? Is this question clear? If it will come in the exam, will you be able to write? Again, I am telling you, if with your answer, if you will mention the chemical equation, you are going to get full marks. Yes? Okay? Your answer will stand out from the others. Don't forget to write the chemical equation. Okay, so do give me a thumbs up if you have understood this question. We will move forward to the next question. Okay? Fine? Okay, now let's have a look here. CBSE 2013. How the following? Okay, very good Vaishnavi, very good Krishna. How the following substance will dissociate to produce ions in their solution? You have to tell me here that if hydrochloric acid, what is the formula for hydrochloric acid? HCl. What is the formula for nitric acid? HNO3. What is the formula for sulfuric acid? H2SO4. What is the formula for sodium hydroxide? NaOH. What is the formula for potassium hydroxide? KOH. What is the formula for magnesium hydroxide? MgOH twice. Correct? Okay. So these are the chemical formula for this. Very good Sumukh, very good Dhanish, very good Naveen. These are the chemical formula. Yes. So when they will get ionized, what you are going to get? First of all, HCl, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid. They all are acids. And acid gives H plus. Acid gives H plus. Sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, they are bases. And bases gives OH minus. Okay, now just have a look here. How you will dissociate. How you are going to dissociate. Just have a look here. A to B. This we have learned in class 9th. If you have a compound A to B, when you will break them, this 2 will go on B and this 1 will come on A plus and B2 minus. Tell me, did you understand this? If you have only AB, A1, B1, crisscross, it means that A plus and B minus. Correct? If you have A2B3, in that case, can you tell me the ions? Always remember the first one will be always positive. The second one is going to be always negative. So can you tell me the ions here? A2B3. Very good, Krishna, Vaishnavi, Dhanesh. Yes. Very good, guys. Can you tell me what will be the ions here? A2B3. Yes, cation and anion. For A2B3, what are going to be the ions? Just you have to do crisscross. It means A and B. A will be positive. A will be positive with 3 positive charge. Crisscross. And B will be 2 minus. Understood? This I have taught you how you will write the ions. Okay. For example, aluminium, Al2O3. If you will break this compound, yes, it will be what? Aluminium 3 plus and oxygen 2 minus. Crisscross. Same way here, HCl. Both are 1, 1. So 1 H and 1 Cl minus. HNO3. NO3 1 H1. So H plus and NO3 minus. Correct? H2SO4. H2SO4. So H plus, 2H plus and sulfate with 1 negative charge. Sorry, 2 negative charge. Crisscross. 2 and here 1. Correct? H2SO4 1. So it will give you H1 positive charge, sulfate 2. NaOH1. Na1OH1. So it will be Na plus and OH minus. K plus and OH minus. Here it will be Mg2 plus OH minus. Like that, if they will give you to give ions of any compound, like that you have to do. Okay? So tell me, did you understand this? Can I move forward to the next question? Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood. If this question will come in the exam, will you be able to write the answer? Yes? So, very good. Now we are moving forward to the next one. Now let's have a look on this question. Okay? Fine? Yes. Okay. Here is a question. Now just read this question. Acetic acid is a weak acid when compared to HCl. Write down this in the notebook. Acetic acid is a weak acid. HCl here is a strong acid. Correct? So, acetic acid is a weak acid when compared to HCl, because HCl completely dissociate into ions in solution, where acetic acid being weak acid is partially dissociated into ions in solution. This can be proved by following activity. 2 iron nails are fitted in the cork and kept in 100 ml beaker. The nails are connected to 2 terminal of 6 volt battery through the bulb and the switch. Some dilute HCl is poured in the beaker and current is switched on. The same experiment is performed with acetic acid. Correct? It will observe that bulb glows in the HCl solution and does not glow in the acidic solution. Can you tell me why? Just have a look on this question. They are telling you that acetic acid is a weak acid, HCl is a strong acid. They have made a setup like this. Can you see? They have made a setup like this. They have taken a beaker. Yes? Yes, okay. Krishna Jha, very good. So, they have taken a setup. Okay? Here in the solution we have a HCl solution. In this beaker we have HCl. In this beaker we have acetic acid. And here we have set up one battery and here is a bulb. So in which case bulb is glowing? Can you tell me in which case HCl or acetic acid, in which case bulb is glowing? Tell me here in the comment box. We have taken one beaker where it has the acid. We have connected it through the battery. There is a bulb. In which case the bulb is glowing? A. HCl or acetic acid. B. In which case the bulb can glow? The bulb is glowing in case of A. Yes, because weak acid and strong acid. Very good, Naveen. Yes, HCl is a strong acid. It has more H plus. Correct? Acetic acid is a weak acid. It has very less H plus. Very less H plus. And who carries the charge? The charge particle. Very good, Naveen. Very good, Dhanush. Very good, Sumuk. Very good, Dhanesh. Very good. Yes. Circuit will not run when put HCl in the beaker. Circuit will run. Yes, absolutely correct. Circuit will run when there will be charge in it. Electricity will pass. Who carries the electricity? The charge particle carries the electricity. What is the charge particle here? H plus. Correct? Yes. So, H plus will carry the current and the current will pass in this circuit and bulb will glow. Glowing bulb. But in this case, you have very less ions. H plus ions. Correct? So, yes, very good. So, ions are carrying the current. In that case, ions are very less. Nobody will carry the current in the circuit and this bulb will not glow. Understood? Yes. So, this bulb will glow in the case of strong acid or strong base because they will provide more ions which will carry the charge. This is the case of weak acid or weak base and they will provide very less ions, very less H plus or OH minus ion and there will be less charge particle to carry the current. Understood this question now? Yes. So can we move forward to the next question? Yes guys. Did you guys understand this? I am Purvika, not Naveen ma'am. Okay Purvika, I'll call you Purvika now. So do give me a thumbs up if you have understood this question. If this will come in the exam, will you be able to write? Will you be able to identify in which case bulb is going to glow? Yes, the bulb is going to glow in case of strong one will produce more ions. Okay, correct? So here we are moving forward to the next question. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up if you have understood. Here we have the next one. Very good Vaishnavi, very good Gopika. Sorry, Purvika. Sorry. Okay. So here now see this question. Very good Somuk, very good Naveen. A compound P forms the enamel of teeth. It is the hardest substance of the body. It does not dissolve in water but gets corroded when pH is lowered below 5.5. Identify the compound P. Okay, there is a compound P. Our teeth is made from that compound and it is not soluble in water. Yes, if our teeth would be soluble in water, we are daily drinking water, right? We are drinking water, we are taking liquids. If our teeth will be soluble in water, we will no longer have the teeth in our mouth. Correct? So tell me, what is a compound? A compound, yes, very good Krishna. Very good Dhanush. Yes, very good. A compound P forms the enamel of teeth. It is the hardest element of our body. Very good Dhanish. It does not dissolve in water. but gets corroded when pH is lowered below 5.5. Okay. Acha, how many of you feel that weird sensation in your teeth when you eat lemon? When you directly eat lemon, how your teeth feels? Do let me know in the comment box. When you eat lemon, what do you feel near to your teeth? Yes, and you also know that Coke and all those cold drinks are not good for our body, especially for our this bones and teeth. So what happens? Coke is also acidic, right? It is an acid. The lemon is also acid. So when we eat lemon, yes, we will feel that there is a stickiness, that weird feeling is there. That is because our teeth is made from calcium, and we eat lemon. Lemon is acidic, so it starts dissolving in that. Okay, so that's why you feel like that sensation. So identify the compound P. How does it undergo damage due to eating chocolate and sweets? You know this, right? When we were in childhood days, we eat so many chocolates and so many candies. Yes, it gets stick to our teeth, and sometimes that we have to remove the teeth also, because it is that much now destroyed, right? So what should we do to prevent the tooth decay? Can you tell me what is the answer for this? If we daily brush and use salt, if teeth get decay. Yes, very good, Krishna. If we will daily brush, if we will do brush daily, that all the remaining parts of our food that will remove, right? So our teeth will be safe. Compound P is an acid that causes tooth decay. That is also the hardest part of our body. It makes clear that compound is formed with calcium, which is the hardest element found in our bone. When we drink Coke is also Coke and all those soft drinks that has acid in it. Our bones are made from calcium. That's why it is so strong. And when we drink that, it starts getting decaying, right? So what is, as a compound P with pH less than 5.5, it means it is an acid of calcium. So compound P is calcium phosphate. Okay, it is not only calcium, it is calcium phosphate. The complete name you have to write. It is calcium phosphate. It is calcium phosphate. What is the formula for this? Calcium 2 plus and phosphate PO4 3 minus. So it will become calcium 3 PO4 twice. This is the formula. So this is present in our teeth. Okay, fine. Not calcium is not the enough answer. Naveen, Purvika has given me the correct answer earlier. Calcium phosphate. Very good, Krishna. Yes. So calcium phosphate, chocolate and sweet contain sugar. Yes, very good, Purvika. Chocolate and sweet contain sugar, which is converted into acid in our mouth. Yes. And this acid with pH less than 5.5 erodes the teeth enamels and causes the tooth decay. So if the question will come in the exam, why the chocolate and sweets, yes, making our teeth decaying, why? The answer will be chocolate and sweets contain sugar, which converted into acid in our mouth, and acid will destroy our teeth, because teeth will start dissolving in that. Okay, to prevent tooth decay, we should brush our teeth with toothpaste. Toothpaste contains what? Tell me guys in the comment box, toothpaste contains what? It contains acid or it contains base? Toothpaste is basic in nature. When we brush our teeth, the chocolates and all those candies which has converted into acid, when we brush our teeth through toothpaste, which is basic in nature, it neutralizes. Correct? So, to prevent tooth decay, we should brush our teeth with toothpaste that neutralizes the excess acid produced in our mouth. Avoid eating too many products of sugar after eating any food Wash your mouth with water gently. Avoid any formation that causes tooth decay. Okay, understood this question? Fine, guys. Okay, basic. Very good, Vaishnavi. Very good, Naveen. Yes. Naveen means Purvika. Yes. Okay, so did you guys understand this question? Toothpaste. Very good, Krishna. Toothpaste contains base. So I hope this question is clear. If this question will come in the exam, what is present in tooth enamel? That answer is not calcium, it is calcium phosphate. Sugar candy converts into acid. We brush our teeth with toothpaste. Yes. Okay. And that base neutralizes acid. How we can prevent? We should brush daily, and whenever we eat something, we should wash our mouth. Okay. Fine. Chalo. Very good, guys. You have understood this. Now, this question. The last question here. 17.5 ml of water and 10 ml of sulfuric acid are to be mixed in a beaker. Okay, tell me, guys, if I want, this is a acid. Okay, here it is 17.5 ml water. Okay, and here we have acid. How much acid? 10 ml acid. Can you tell me how I should add acid? Should I keep water in acid? Or, yes, daily brush. Very good. Should we keep water in acid or should I add acid in water? Tell me which one is correct. Which is correct? Should we add water in the acid or should we add acid in water? Which procedure is correct? Do let me know in the comment box which procedure here is correct. Remember this fact. You should add acid. This is the water. And you should add acid drop wise. If you will add, this is acid. And if in this directly you will add water, it will catch fire. It will catch fire. Okay? Because acid wants water. Understood? Yes, very good, Purvika. We should add drop wise acid in water. This is the correct way. Fine? Yes, we cannot add water in the acid. It will quickly catches fire. Acid in water with constant stirring. Very good. Very nice. If we stir that, it means that we are diluting this. Correct? Otherwise, it will catch fire again. Yes. Okay. Fine. So, state the method that should be followed with reason. What is this process called? Yes. The acid is to be added slowly in water to prevent the mixture to be splashed. Splashed means it will come up as fire. The reaction is highly exothermic. Exothermic means where heat released. Which reaction? Acid plus water reaction is very much exothermic. So, if you want to produce less heat, we have to add drop-wise acid in water. The reaction is highly exothermic, therefore constant cooling should be done. This is called dilution. Dilution means more water. Okay? Fine. So, did you guys understand this question? I hope you have understood. Yes. Yes. Very good. So, do give me a thumbs up if you have understood this question. Let's move forward. Here, our class is over. Yes, very good, Purvika, Vaishnavi. Today, so we have done acid, base and salt part 1. Acid, base and salt part 1 we have done. In the next class, I will take acid, base and salt part 2. Okay. I hope you guys have enjoyed this session. Okay. You have understood every question. And definitely you will find questions from this PPT. I will share this PDF in the group. From there you can download this and you can have it for your reference. Okay? Yes? Okay. Chalo. Okay guys, I will end this session here. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, I will meet you in the next session. Bye bye everybody. Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood everything.